One of Zimbabwe's leading financial institutions, CBZ Holdings, has announced the retrenchment of 347 employees as part of its ongoing restructuring exercise. Saramira mashikwata kuna kuti aiwa CBZ inozikanwa nemukurumbira panguva ino yotandanisa vashandi vanosvika around 350 vashandisa vanhu. Saramira mashikwa mudanyorwa panapa ndobva subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipina muna umwe mudanyorwa muchinzi the layoffs which were finalized on January 31, 2025, marked the second phase of the bank's strategic realignment to adapt to Zimbabwe's turbulent economic landscape. In a statement issued on February 1, 2025, CBZ Holdings said the restructuring was aimed at enhancing operational efficiency, strengthening its market position, and ensuring long-term sustainability. The bank had a staff complement of 1,448 staff before the so-called restructuring. CBZ's decision to downsize comes against the backdrop of a struggling economy characterized by hyperinflation, liquidity shortages, and a declining consumer spending. Over the past year, the country has witnessed a wave of business closures, particularly in the retail sector, as companies struggle to remain viable amid soaring costs and dwindling demands. Several prominent retail chains, including TM Pay, OK Zimbabwe, and Spar, have either scaled down operations or shut down branches due to declining revenues and rising operational expenses. Lomashikana kuda panapa tinoti aiwa tichiona kuti pacrisis ino yeeconomy yatikuona kuti masupermarket aiwa makuru chacho achivhara, toona kuti CBZ yoredusa size aiwa yemaemployees ayo kupfurikidza nekufaya 350 maworkers zvashamisa vanhu vaisungana kuti aiwa hapana kwatiri kuenda nethis regime inotungamirwa aiwa naEDM Mnangagwa. Vanyatsoona kuti aiwa economy iri kuparadzwa and the guys they are not stopping the agenda for 2030. Tonze mafunguro eimbo tikudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section yedu, so subscribe or like, not on the bell icon.